Now let us see the installation procedure for Dynamic Pin. Let me open the app. Here the expression set is a plus b. Let me practice and confirm. Here a is 1 and then b is 7. Let me type a plus b 8 and then check it. Incorrect pin. I have to append zeros to get a 4-digit pin. Okay, let me try again. Here a is 7 and then b is also 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 2-digit number. To get a 4-digit number, let me add 2 zeros and then 1 4. It's right. Let me confirm it. Here a is 0 and then b is 3. A plus b is 3. I have to add 3 zeros and then 3. Yeah, now our app is getting populated. Now let me select the apps to be locked with Dynamic Pin. Let me select Gallery, Messaging, and then finally let me select WhatsApp. Okay, now let's try to open Messaging app. Yeah, now the verification screen pops in. Here a is 3 and then b is 1. A plus b is 4. Let me add 3 zeros and then 4. Yeah, now we have a messaging app. Our credentials remains valid until we lock the screen. So when I open again the messaging app, the app gets open. Our credentials remains valid. Now let us activate the app for screen lock. For activating screen lock, first we have to enable the app as a device admin. For that, let us go to settings, general, security, and then phone administrator, and then dynamic pin, and click activate. Now dynamic pin app is admin enabled. Now we will go to our app and then click screen lock. Now one-time validation screen comes in. One-time validation code will be available in the lock screen. In certain devices, the one-time validation code will be shown when emergency dialer is clicked. In Samsung devices, we can see a one-time validation code in the lock screen itself. For seeing the validation code, we have to click this button. On clicking this button, our pin will be set as 0000. Okay, let me see the validation code by clicking this button. This is an LG device, so we can see the validation code by pressing the emergency call button. The validation code is shown here. It is 0031 and then lock pin is 0000. Okay, let me type the lock pin 0000 and then let me type the validation code 0031. Let me check it. Yeah, it's right. Now we can activate screen lock by checking this checkbox. Now screen lock is activated. Let us test it. Let me lock the screen by power button. For seeing the matrix, let me press the power button. Here A is 5 and then B is 0. So our pin is A plus B 5 plus 0, which is 5. Let me add 3 zeros to get a 4-digit pin and then 5. Okay, it gets unlocked. Now on unlocking, the pin gets changed. A new matrix is generated. Now let me test it by locking the screen using the power button. Now when I unlock it, let me see the matrix. Here A is 6 and B is 5. A plus B is 11. Let me add 2 zeros to get a 4-digit pin and then 11. Okay. Yeah. Now every time you get a unique pin,